As one project ends, it can be easy to rush on to the next, but carving out some time to reflect on how your project went and what you might do differently next time is crucial for improving both team effectiveness and future outcomes. Running a retrospective workshop, or retro for short, is an effective way to celebrate wins, develop empathy for team members, and quickly learn from mistakes. Before running the virtual workshop, send out the retro worksheet for the people to review. This will help members of the team who like to read materials in advance feel more prepared. If your project was challenging, participants might feel nervous to talk about it. As you begin your workshop, emphasize that the purpose is to understand how things went in a way that models vulnerability and safety. Once everyone's settled in, ask them to agree a few basic principles, such as be honest and respectful and constructive, use I statements, not you statements, and don't interrupt one another. Then, instruct people to individually reflect on how the project went using the I like, I wish, I wonder framework. This is provided in the Retro worksheet and Miro board. Some themes to consider are stakeholders, approval process, timing, and budget. When time is up, ask everyone to call out their thoughts. As people speak, have a note taker add the answers to a shared retro doc. Once you've captured everyone's answers, ask your team to help bundle them into themes. For example, if you notice a lot of points about working together, you could create a collaboration theme. Or if people are saying things felt rushed, you could create a timeline theme. When you're done, ask your team to vote on 3 to 5 themes they want to follow up on. Once the themes have been identified, ask the group to pinpoint any do's or follow-ups related to them. When you've got a good list, assign owners and due dates. When administrated effectively, a well-run retrospective can create space to celebrate wins, understand different perspectives, and learn from our mistakes.